All right, y'all. What's good? It's me, T, and my two little brothers. My two little brothers. Little Cam. It's Cam. Say what's up, Cam. And we got my little cousin, my little bro, my real bro,
Yeah, salute. Know what I'm
Trizzle.
saying?
You know, say what's up, Trizzle.
What's up? How you doing? You chilling? You chilling in the.
Well, these two mofos. One of them can't rap, y'all. So you know,
I'm alright.
he alright. Don't So don't. Criticism is criticism, but hey, we can all use some criticism every once in a while.
You don't like it?
We don't like it. So if you can please kind of refrain
Yeah.
from doing the negatives, that'd be great. But hey, good feedback. It's good feedback. But they about to rap to this Drinking My Cup by Kurt Cobain's. Let's get it in.
Hey, T, go first.
Who's he? The girl likes Santa, nigga, ho-ho. Writer's block for a while, I kinda lost my mojo. Swagger 100, more kicks than the dojo. Throwing balls to the stars, something like Tony Romo. I done sat for so long, now I'm standing out. They looking at the kid, looking at me like they're sad about. And the kid here to save hip hop without a doubt. Knock a nigga out, he steady running his mouth. And I never go commercial, you know that I be chillin' it. And every beat that I get on, you know that I be ripping it. And everywhere I go, girls like, whoa, he know I'm about to kill this bro. Chillin' everywhere I go with my bros, I'm killing this shit, and you already know.
Hey, yeah. He went nasty on that hoe. He went nasty on that hoe. And guess what, y'all? He only 15. Up and coming. You know, this just something we do on the side. You know, this we education first. Gotta stay in school, get our education, so we can do big things. Like Wayne and all them, Gucci, all them. You know. The bus, you ready? Go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
I'm about to kill the track, so don't hold back. Now, they call me T-Dub, you know what's good. I got the hoes in the Cadillac, you already know what's good. I got them in my bed, yeah, she gave me head. I dropped the drawers, I got it in, yeah, I got it up in my bed. Deep wet, pussy tight, I got it real nice. She in my bed, legs tight, you already know I got the good right. You got to go hard, yeah, poppin', yeah. What's good? Yeah, you already know what's up. Yeah, I got that good. Yeah, I'm smoking shorts. Yeah, I'm smoking pipe. You already know I don't like that light. Dark ass shades on. Boy, you can't see my eyes. Chicago on my hat. You already know what's tight. I'm gon' win in the track, you already know what's good, right? Yeah, they call me Kenny Mars, cause I got that real tight. You already know what's good, yeah, I got the hard mic. Yeah, your girl want me good, she already on my phone tonight.
Hey, I see you. I see you. Y'all, he ran out the words, but hey, he did good.
I ran out of words.
But hey, y'all, we in this thing. We out of here. Yeah.